I'm Amy McKenzie, host of Please Raise Your Virtual Hand. I'm so excited to welcome you to STEMersion 2023, a 2-week hands-on institute for middle and high school educators in Berkeley, Charleston, and Dorchester Counties in South Carolina. STEMersion's mission is to bridge the gap between industry needs and the workforce of tomorrow by providing an opportunity for teachers and school counselors to interface with the region's leading employers. Throughout this conference, educators will participate in workplace simulations and lesson writing activities that reinforce why math, science, and soft skills are so critical to the Tri-County region's workforce and economic growth. Our goal for STEMersion participants is to develop high-impact, meaningful, and thought-provoking lessons so that more South Carolina students can enter the workforce upon graduation with the skills they need to be successful. If you'd like to learn more about STEMersion, you can listen to my interview on Please Raise Your Virtual Hand with the women who make STEMersion possible: Patricia Ferguson, Michelle McDonald, and Catherine Bergman. In the meantime, please enjoy the sneak preview of the 2023 capstone project for school counselors. Graduation plans, mental health, PSAT prep, and everything in between. School counselors have you covered. Whether you're a student, parent, or fellow educator, you're in the right place if you're here for some guidance. High school can be hard, so much so that there's a million books, movies, and TV shows about it. As a high schooler, you have so many decisions to make that can affect the path you set out on for the rest of your life. Should I take an AP course? Should I ask her to prom? Are they genuinely my friends? At times, it can feel like you have to figure out these answers on your own, and that only adds to the pressure. Sure, you can ask your best friend, but she just tried to pierce her ears with an ice cube and an apple slice, so do we really trust her judgment? Big questions mean big decisions, so you deserve someone you can trust. Someone that has your best interests at heart and will listen to you and guide you in the right direction. You deserve a school counselor. Someone who has experience in goal setting, establishing positive relationships, and balancing responsibilities. Someone who can help you take control of both your mental health and your future path. Hello, I'm Amy McKenzie, and today I'm going to be telling you a little bit about the role of a school counselor. In order to become a school counselor, one must earn a master's degree in counseling and pass the necessary exams depending on their state. There's a wide variety of counseling, including education, mental health, and helping students prepare for their future. Each episode will be brought to you by a team of school counselors from Berkeley, Charleston, and Dorchester Counties in South Carolina. Real counselors with real advice. So be sure to follow our show, here for some guidance, and don't miss out. Here for Some Guidance is brought to you by the Low Country Education Consortium, spearheaded by Amy McKenzie and Caitlin Hardwick, and inspired by the Tri-County STEMersion Conference.